Hello everyone, I am Nisi and I am talking from Medical and Science Tech Info. As I have said before, I would like to start this video with a medical ventilator. So let's get into the video. You'll find more informative subject. Coming to the point, what, where and why. These 3 points are the principal things of a subject. And what is a ventilator? Ventilator is a device which is used to give external support of breathing by the process of mechanical ventilation. And point number 2, where will we use the ventilator? Ventilator can be of 3 types. It can be of mobile ventilator or a portable ventilator or a standard ventilator. And these 3 types can be used in various ways. Mobile ventilator can be used while the patient is shifted from a operation theatre to a ICU or from an accident area to the hospital. And the portable ventilator can be carried easily in the hand like a briefcase, and it can be connected to the patient while he is on the bed, lying in the bedside. And the third one, the standard ventilator, they are located in the ICUs and they are connected directly to the patients when the patient is stationary. And the third question, why? Why do we use ventilator? When a patient is in a difficulty to respirate, he is given support by the means of a mechanical ventilator, and it is solely for the respiration support. And coming to the next, how does a ventilator work? Ventilator basically mixes the medical air and oxygen from the sources and delivers to the patients periodically. We can set the settings in a ventilator like breaths per minute, percentage of oxygen and PEEP, where the PEEP is positive and expiratory pressure. Modern ventilators have an alarm system which alert the in-charge medical staff if there is any abnormality in the patient's breathing. And there are 3 modes based on the type of connections, and the modes of ventilation, like it can be operated on an adult or a child or even a newborn. Adult is known as an adult mode, child is known as a pediatric mode, and just born is known as neonatal mode. And next, ventilator has 2 types of ventilations, namely volume controlled ventilation. It is an adaptive type of ventilation and it consists of CMV and SIMV modes. And the next one is pressure controlled ventilation. It is a biphasic mode and it consists of PCV, PSIMV and spontaneous modes. And some of the modern ventilators support intelligent ventilations like ASV, where ASV means adaptive support ventilation, and non-invasive mode is also observed in a ventilator, whereas non-invasive mode is by placing a breathing mask on the patient's nose. NIV is the non-invasive ventilation observed. Coming to the next, invasive ventilation procedure is guided by the process of intubation. By using the laryngoscope, a doctor or a medical professional is inserting a tube into the entrance of trachea, which are continued to a disposable or a multi-usable patient circuit. And if the patient needs the air to be humidified, some ventilators can also be connected with a humidifier which humidifies the air and provides moisture content in the air. And the most used mode on a hospital ventilator is the volume controlled SIMV mode. SIMV mode gives the spontaneous discharge of oxygen in the ventilation, and SIMV stands for synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation. And finally, I would like to give a conclusion to this video by explaining a simple question which is a myth. And the question is, if the patient is dead and put on a ventilator, can we detect the death? And it's a big yes, because When the patient is dead, the BP, the vital signs, and the SpO2 percentage will be dropping down and nullified at the end. And in the next video, I'll be explaining all these parameters in the patient monitor. And wait for the next video, and please do like and subscribe to me by supporting me. Thank you.